Kendall's tropical climate is characterized by warm temperatures, high humidity, and occasional storms, all of which can take a toll on a home's windows. In this challenging environment, durable casement windows are an ideal choice for homeowners seeking style, functionality, and resilience. Known for their sleek design and energy efficiency, casement windows can withstand Kendall's humid weather while offering long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Here's why durable casement windows are a smart investment for Kendall homes. Built to resist humidity. In Kendall's humid climate, window frames and seals are exposed to constant moisture, which can lead to warping, rotting, or mold growth if the materials are not designed for such conditions. Durable material options. Vinyl frames. Resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, making them a low-maintenance option for humid environments. Fiberglass frames. Strong, durable, and immune to rot, these frames are perfect for withstanding high humidity. Aluminum frames with thermal breaks. Lightweight and corrosion-resistant, aluminum frames are enhanced with thermal breaks to prevent heat transfer and resist condensation. These materials ensure your casement windows remain functional and visually appealing, even in Kendall's tropical weather. Superior sealing against moisture. Casement windows are designed with compression seals that create an airtight barrier when closed. This feature makes them particularly effective in keeping out moisture, air leaks, and humidity. Why it matters. Prevents water intrusion during heavy rain, a common occurrence in Kendall. Reduces the risk of mold and mildew growth, which thrive in humid conditions. Enhances energy efficiency by preventing drafts and maintaining a stable indoor environment. The superior sealing of casement windows ensures they perform well, even in Kendall's wettest seasons. Withstanding heavy rains and storms. Kendall is no stranger to tropical storms and heavy rains. Durable casement windows can provide reliable protection against these elements, keeping your home safe and secure. Features for storm resistance. Impact-resistant glass. Designed to withstand flying debris during storms, this glass is a must-have for homes in hurricane-prone areas like Kendall. Reinforced frames. Provide structural strength to resist strong winds and impacts. Secure locking mechanisms. Ensure the window stays tightly closed during extreme weather. By choosing casement windows with these features, you can protect your home and family from Kendall's unpredictable weather patterns. Energy efficiency in humid conditions. Keeping your home cool and comfortable in Kendall's warm and humid climate can lead to high energy bills. Casement windows offer excellent energy efficiency, helping you reduce cooling costs while maintaining indoor comfort. Energy-saving features. Low-E glass. Reflects heat and blocks UV rays, keeping your home cooler without sacrificing natural light. Double or triple glazing. Provides insulation to reduce heat transfer and maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Weatherproof seals. Prevent air leaks and humidity infiltration, improving overall efficiency. These features make casement windows a sustainable choice for Kendall homes, saving energy and reducing your carbon footprint. Easy maintenance for long-lasting durability. In a humid climate like Kendall's, maintenance is key to ensuring your windows perform well over time. Casement windows are designed for easy upkeep, making them a practical option for busy homeowners. Maintenance tips. Clean regularly. Use mild soap and water to clean frames and glass, removing dirt and moisture buildup. Inspect seals. Check for wear and tear on seals and weather stripping, replacing them as needed to maintain energy efficiency and moisture resistance. Lubricate moving parts. Apply a non-greasy lubricant to hinges and cranks to ensure smooth operation. With minimal effort, you can keep your casement windows in top condition for years. Modern aesthetics with durability. Casement windows combine durability with a sleek, modern design that enhances the beauty of any Kendall home. Their clean lines and unobstructed glass panes complement both traditional and contemporary architectural styles. Customization options. Choose from various frame materials and finishes to match your home's exterior. Add tinted or frosted glass for privacy without compromising light. Opt for decorative grills or unique shapes to personalize your windows. These customization options allow you to create durable casement windows that are both functional and visually appealing. Increased home value. Durable, energy-efficient windows are a key selling point for potential buyers, particularly in areas like Kendall, where the climate demands resilient home features. Value-boosting benefits. Enhanced curb appeal with stylish, long-lasting windows. Lower energy costs and reduced maintenance requirements. Reliable performance that protects the home from weather-related damage. Installing casement windows is an investment that improves your home's value and appeal, making it more attractive to future buyers. Professional installation for optimal performance. To fully enjoy the benefits of durable casement windows, professional installation is essential. Proper installation ensures a secure fit, optimal sealing, and long-lasting performance in Kendall's humid weather. Why it matters. Prevents air leaks and water intrusion caused by improper installation. Guarantees structural integrity during storms and heavy rains. Ensures the window operates smoothly and efficiently. Partnering with an experienced window professional ensures your casement windows are installed to withstand Kendall's climate challenges. Final thoughts. Durable casement windows are the perfect solution for Kendall's humid weather, offering a combination of resilience, energy efficiency, and modern design. Their ability to withstand moisture, heavy rain, and storms makes them a practical and stylish choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. By investing in high-quality materials, storm-resistant features, and professional installation, you can enjoy casement windows that perform beautifully for years to come. Whether you're renovating or building new, durable casement windows are a smart investment that enhances the comfort, value, and aesthetic appeal of your Kendall home.